हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम संजीव के देव। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे स्पार्कलाइन चार्ट की। These are also called mini charts because they appear in a single shell instead of a large area. Okay, for that select your data, go to insert. Here you will see also a definition that sparkline chart or a mini chart placed in a single shell is representing a row of data. Okay, so click on that. Here you have already selected the range of data. Now location where you want to present them. Okay, see it. Okay, the mini chart appears. This will change as you change values in your shells. Suppose I am making 1000 as a 100. You see that this chart gets down. Okay, in this sparkline chart you can do some formatting also. Go to sparkline, go to sparkline color, give a color you want to give, then marker options. You can highlight the markers with a different color. You see there are dots on the black color which are your marker colors, right? तो इस तरह के स्मॉल और नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस को देखने के लिए नॉलेज टू एक्सेल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच, हैव अ गुड डे।